Just joshing around. It's dry January, and with dry January comes the request for a lot of mocktails. I've made a lot of mocktail recipes, and I've posted them on TikTok over the past year, so here's a compilation of all those recipes put together. Just joshing around in the kitchen, let's make a mocktail. This is one that I came up with last night. Technically, it is not completely non-alcoholic. It has a couple dashes of bitters in it. So if someone truly needed something that had 0 alcohol in it, just leave the bitters out. Important note there. So I'm going to start with 2 dashes of bitters. To those bitters, the juice of a lemon. Add about an ounce of grenadine, 6 ounces of pineapple juice. I'm going to add some ice, and there is my mocktail for the day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Just joshing around in the kitchen. It's a school night, and I want something to drink, but I don't really want alcohol. So I'm going to make a mocktail for myself. But it's going to have an interesting twist. It's going to start off very familiar with equal parts of sour and sweet. In this case, I'm going to do lemon and simple syrup. So half a lemon gave me 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. So we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. And 2 ounces of a gin alternative. In this case, it's Ritual. I have these really cool ice molds that have my initials in them that my brother gave me for my birthday one year. And instead of just freezing water in them, I froze butterfly PT. I'm thinking when I put it in the drink, it's going to slowly change the color of the drink as it melts. A slow color changing drink. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great week. Just joshing around in the kitchen. Let's make an iced London fog with a twist. But first, I'm going to make an iced London fog cocktail that's actually a mocktail for right now. I'm going to start with 3 ounces of Earl Grey tea. This is 2 bags of tea for 1 cup, so it's a little bit more concentrated than normal. 2 ounces of gin, or in this case, a non-alcoholic gin substitute. I want the botanicals from this to come through. I'm going to do 2 ounces of milk, a bar spoon of vanilla syrup. The bar spoon is from a bar above, and it's actually linked down below if you want to grab one. These are some of the best bar spoons out there. And I love a bar above. I'm going to add some ice. There's an iced London fog mocktail. Thanks so much for watching. Just joshing around in the kitchen. Today we're going to make the I Think I'm Getting Sick citrus shooter. This recipe is courtesy of my mother-in-law. I have no idea where she got it from, so let's make it. I'm going to start with the juice of 1 lemon. In this case, it's about 1.5 ounces. 1.5 ounces of orange juice. We need 1 ounce of ginger juice. We're going to give that a stir. And then to finish it off, we need a dusting of cayenne pepper. And there's the I Think I'm Getting Sick citrus shooter. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed those recipes, and I hope you try some of them. If you're looking for any of the barware that I used, any of the bar equipment that I used, you can grab it from the link down below from a bar above. I've been using their barware for going on 5 years now. It holds up great. It's dishwasher safe. It's super easy to clean. It's ultra durable. So grab a set. Thanks so much for watching.